It's the third week of February. It's been a very interesting week at Unicorn Buyers Agents last week. We had an auction on a Tuesday evening at Cooley Auction Rooms, Double Bay, for an apartment which sold for $120,000 above the reserve. Lots of buyer interest, lots of buyer appetite in the room. In fact, 4 of the 6 auctions on that evening had houses on that evening had sold prior. We got through about 23 open for inspections and private inspections for off markets this week. I bought a beautiful freestanding house in Petersham, Parkside address on Petersham's best street for high twos at contracts exchanged at 10 p.m. on Thursday night. And then unfortunately our good run was not to continue on Friday when we attempted to buy a beautiful Victorian terrace in Surry Hills, circa $5 million. It was an off-market home, became available on Tuesday and sold on Friday, unfortunately not to my buyers and I, for mid to high fives, price undisclosed. So I think off the back of those interest rate on hold news and the lower inflation print, there is renewed buyer appetite, renewed buyer interest, a little bit of heat bubbling away and returning to the market. And if you are out there looking, intending to buy, you would do well to buy sooner rather than later. I think time is working against you now, and we're going to see prices drift up from here. And that's across all price points in both the inner west and eastern suburbs and city areas. So I'm just seeing prices drifting up now, going for overs. Even agents being surprised. No, a lot of agents aren't underquoting. They are being genuinely surprised by the bids that they're getting and the prices that their listings are selling for. That's when we know we're coming back into a warmer market. So time's of the essence, folks. Get out there, get buying as quickly as you can. And of course, if you need a hand, don't hesitate to get in touch.